present the annual report. A very good evening to all. Respected Chairman Sri C.H. Mallareddy Sir, Mallareddy Group of Institutions. Respected Chief Guest, Vice President H.R. Mahendra Satyam, Mr. Satya Topalli Sir, respected Secretary Sir Sri C.H. Mahendra Reddy Sir, respected Director MRIT and MRIET Praveen Reddy Sir, and Madam Kalpana Madam, respected Principals of Mallareddy Group of Institutions Sudhakar Reddy Sir, Principal of MRIET, Director Mallareddy Group of Institutions Academics Professor R. Madan Mohan Sir, Training and Placement Officer Kailas Rao Sir, Heads of the Departments, Faculty, Parents, and my beloved students of Mallareddy Group of Institutions Campus 3, Mallareddy Engineering College for Women, Mallareddy Institute of Technology, and Mallareddy Institute of Engineering and Technology. On pleasant evening, a very warm welcome to Annual Day celebrations Vijayotsav 2K13. To reach the utmost origin of success, the more to be made is from the very first step. Mallareddy Engineering College for Women took the step in 2008 and now in 2013 is attractively glowing in that origin of success. I am very proud to share our happiness that Mallareddy Engineering College for Women certified by ISO 9001-2008 for quality education system. As the demand for MRECW is increasing proportionately, we are proud to announce that intake for this academic year has grown up to 748, including UG and PG. We are hopefully expecting the intake for the next academic year may increase to 1,000. In view of this, our visionary chairman, Sri C.H. Mallareddy Sir, with his long-run thinking, has taken the step for the construction of another building adjacent to our old building for the Mallareddy Engineering College for Women. Our college, professional and technical association students, chapters proactively organizes lot many events in this academic year, which includes national-level technical symposium, Future Shastra, state-level symposium, MEDA, and management meet elite. So we are always forefront in organizing faculty development programs, co-curricular activities and extracurricular activities. For this academic year, we organized all together around 32 activities to improve all-round performance of the students as well as the faculty. It's my pleasure to share that our dedicated faculty not only excel in teaching but also excel in publishing papers in reputed international and national journals and conferences. All together around 20 papers published by our faculty for this academic year. To upgrade their technical skills, our faculty used to attend the workshops and refresher courses. For this academic year, around 30 faculty attended the various workshops and refresher courses organized by our college and as well as the other colleges. We used to take feedback twice per semester from students. Maximum number of faculty having the above 95% feedback from the students, which indicates a good relationship between the students and as well as the faculty. And retention ratio for our faculty is very high. 80% of the faculty ratified by the JNTU University. So we are very proud to share happy moments that in first year university results, around 131 students secured above 75%, which is a remarkable achievement of Mallareddy Engineering College for Women. Final year first semester results, 97 students secured above 75%. Third year first semester 70 students secured above 75%. Second year first semester 65 students secured above 75%. The entire credit goes to our beloved students, dedicated faculty as well as the committed parents too. We have organized parents meets for the first year students on 9th March and issued progress cards, reports to the parents, and we have purchased software which can maintain the students database, which includes all the details of the students and can be accessed by the parents and the students through their logins. I would like to add up that our college has initiated additional asset for the students, that is a value added certification, Cisco certification, networking program, and BEC Business English certification, Cambridge University, UK. For this academic year, around 700 students received Cisco certification, and 65 students appeared for the BEC Business English Certification Training Program. We are also planning to establish Microsoft and Infosys Center of Excellence in our college. We feel very privileged to inform you that, though the decision is going on, Malaradi Group of Institutions conducted altogether more than 20 placement drives. In that, maximum of our college students grabbed the opportunity, and we are in second place in entire Malaradi Group of Institutions after Malaradi College of Engineering and Technology. We are also ensured that pre-placement training for our students starts from the first year, making the roots strong for the placements. To fill the gap between industry and academia, we have initiated projects-based training from first year onwards, and all our students completed their projects and submitted the project reports also from first year to third year, which is not included in the curriculum, which gives limelight to practical knowledge. We also give importance to the attitude of the students. In this regard, we focus on extracurricular activities like annual day celebrations, Women's Day celebrations, cultural fest, sports fest, engineers day, and personality development training programs which can improve their interpersonal skills of the students. We are very happy to announce that Malaradi Engineering College for Women has established the College Radio Academy and the College TV Academy, which is unique practice in engineering college to accelerate the development of creative presentation, communication and interpersonal skills of our beloved students. We also initiated and organized workshops for students in latest developments of the technology like Android operating systems, robotics, SPSS software, recent trends in electrical engineering, web designing and application, circuit designing and implementation using PCB for second and third year students of all branches in this academic year. Our visionary chairman Sri C.H. Malaradi sir has been encouraging always in development of the infrastructure, establishing labs and as well as the organizing any activity for the students' development. In our college, each classroom and a lab having the LCD projector which provide facility to the students for giving the seminars. So we have also organized industrial visits for the second and third year EEE and CSE students for this academic year. We have organized around 10 expert lectures for this academic year. Experts from the IITs and universities and government institutions, organizations, they came and delivered the lectures. We have upgraded all our labs to meet the requirements of the changes in the curriculum. It's my pleasure to announce that we are releasing today the third volume of newsletter Sanketa. And finally, I strongly believe that Malaradi Engineering College for Women is the place where we mold students into industry-ready engineers by providing leadership development, mentoring in technical education, and empowering our young women to be the architect of changes in the world of technology. We also strive to inculcate human values, ethics, and respect for tradition, along with a lot of emphasis on decency, dignity, and discipline and life skills to meet the challenges of the world. I congratulate the management, all the students, faculty, parents, with whose cooperation Malaradi Engineering College for Women has reached the highest stage at present. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.